All right, we got another awesome tool review again from iCrimp, but I have never had one of these. This is a battery cable crimper set. There's the part number if you want. So what we're gonna do is, this is an end that I made. This is an end that was in this, and you can see, so it didn't sit very well in there. So we're gonna cut this off and strip it and put a new end on. So this kit, it's awesome. Comes with a crimper, comes with a cutter, comes with a stripper, and then comes with heat shrink and all the necessary, or not necessary, but well, yeah, necessary. All the necessary cable ends. So let's get started. We're just going to cut the very end off here. Pretty clean, smooth cut. We're just going to line it up in the one that we need. Cut it off. Perfect. All right, we just need to find which one of these fit. It's probably this one. That one might actually be too big. So that came out of here. Yeah, that's definitely the size, that one. Then we'll get the crimper out and we'll look. This is a 6 and, I don't know if you can see it, 6 3/8. So we're gonna look at this. And these just flip around. Oh, and it's got little arrows that point to where it's at. So I'm on 6. And where did I put it? Right here. And I think we're in far enough. It should be in far enough. It will cut just a little bit more off. We're going to open this up. Make sure it's seated in there all the way. And just going to crimp till it locks down. And that's it. Find a piece of heat shrink tubing for it, and since it's a ground, we're just going to use one of these pieces. And that's that. There's our battery cable.